How's it going, guys? It's your boy Skeda. Welcome to my crib. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Skeda. I produce electronic music, I'll make free sample packs, and of course, I'll make YouTube videos. If you wanna learn new things, expand your creativity, or just entertain yourself, then make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss anything, yeah. And real quick before we start, let me know if you have any ideas for a future video or any production tip that you would like to share with everyone. So guys, this is the second episode of the How to Dubstep series. In this episode we're gonna finish with the intro and we're gonna go straight to the build-up, okay? So without of talking guys, let's dive into the project. Okay guys, so this is the track. If you remember from the previous episode, I did a couple of changes. So I used auto filter in a couple of scenes just to make the intro a little bit more subtle, you know. After that, I removed the drums from the first 8 bars and I start working on the first verse. Okay, so let's listen the first verse. Actually, let's listen the whole track. So, also I added a couple of new synths in the verse. 10 shows leads, you can find it inside the Ableton, okay? And the square 3 sync lead inside the Ableton also. Very nice synth. Also I used here claps with reverb. That's a very nice trick if you wanna make somehow a background noise just to fill the track. Take your favorite clap, Command duplicate, Command D duplicate, and then use a reverb with high decay time and high dry weight. Also, white noise. The exact same white noise, just reversed, okay? So, our drums, and now let's go straight to the build-up. Let's say that we want our drop to start at... Yeah, this is where the drop is gonna start at the 25th bar, so this is gonna be our build-up, okay? For a good build-up, the first thing we have to do is change a little bit our drums. You can do something like that, a little bit basic, but it's working every time. Pay attention because this is gonna be our pattern for the build-up. After the 4 first bars, we change our kick pattern. We also gonna use a snare. Or this one is better. Yeah, I prefer this one. On every second kick, okay? And now, all the way. And we do the same pattern with a kick. Um, guys, okay, just remember a very nice trick for your build-up. Take a MIDI clip, instruments, operator, just take an operator, scene, noise white. Right now we have a nice white noise. Okay. MIDI, doesn't matter which note, just choose a note. And after that, let's go to the audio effects and use no. Gate, or gate, okay. Sidechain to our kick. Nice trick. Every time the kick hits the sidechain, the gate releases the white noise. So now we have the exact same pattern with the kick for the white noise, okay? So now we need what we need. Risers. Let's make a couple of nice risers. Command M. Let's take the easy way. Okay, let's make a riser the very easy way, the most easiest way ever on this. Let's assume that you don't even have serum. Okay, go to the search bar here, just type lead, something like that. Yeah, lead. Open the wavetable, I don't care. I like this one. We are, yeah, our track is in F. Guys, this is the most basic riser, easiest riser ever, okay? Freeze track, flatten. We're gonna do it by automating our transpose. "12 semitones is gonna be perfect, and complex. The easiest riser ever. Also, we're gonna use a nice, just to make it a little bit more cleaner, we're gonna use an EQ8. And of course, an auto filter. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Let's duplicate our white noise. Remove the gate. go to the frequency here, the filter. And let's make just another one riser. Oh, let's go here, type. So go to the instruments, wavetable once again, synth, no, sampler, simply. Sounds cool, why not? No, not my type right now. Operator maybe? No. Yeah, this one. This one works perfect. So, F once again. Freeze track and flatten. Okay. We go to the, click that right here. Transposition modulation, and we're gonna automate the pitch. 12 semitones. Don't forget complex. Also an auto filter. Command C, Command V. Pre-drop vocal, why not? My samples, vocals, Dubstep Mega Sample Pack, free download in the description. You know, I love you. Vocals. Yeah, I don't think any of this is gonna work right now. Yeah, this is gonna work perfect. And warp. A little bit of reverb. A little bit of EQ. Yeah, I think guys, that works perfect. Yeah, something like that is gonna be after that, but in the next episode. That episode was mostly to show you, you know, how to make an easy riser if you don't have any in your sample packs, or you know, I don't know. if you don't have serum. So how to make a white noise, how to make a riser, how to make white noise kick. Guys, that was the episode. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe and like, because next week another episode. I'm gonna show you a lot of more things, how to dubstep, maybe a sound design tutorial, I don't know. Write down in the comments whatever you want to see in this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.